In this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to publish a poll. Basically, the most current poll is shown on the home page right here in this area, and that could be adjusted to make it a random poll or different specific polls that are permanently pegged there or what have you. But for now, it's just the most current poll item. So if you want to change that poll, you would just add a new poll. So basically what we do is we just log in. Again, this is a content management backed system, so you don't need to do any back-end work, as it were, any developer coding or technical type of things. Once you log in, you notice you'll get some menus here, links here as well as over here. These are administrative type links that are filtered based on what you have permissions to do. We're going to create content, we're going to create a poll, and we'll say that we want to, let's say, see what types of media people are using. I think that's probably going to be a good one. So most frequently used media sources. Iraq newspapers, foreign newspapers. And you can actually pre-pad these with a poll count so that you can actually migrate polls that you've created elsewhere or already have some data for. You can actually put them in here and let them continue on here so that your metrics keep building. And obviously then we can say other, because it could be maybe they consider just word of mouth as their most frequently used source for news or what have you. It's an active poll. We're going to have an unlimited duration. We'll give it the tag media. I'm going to make this as proofed and approved. This is not a workflow tutorial, but these are the workflow steps. And also then under publishing options, we would say yes, we want to publish, and it is, yes, we do want it to show on the home page. Let's go ahead and save it to see what it looks like once you've actually so basically here we go. This is the poll. It should be on the home page now, and indeed it is. I can log out so we can see it in its actual context without all of my tabs and menus and what have you. So underneath here we have that poll, and when I vote on it, let's say I get most of mine from foreign newspapers. This should say foreign radio. Actually, it's a good catch here. So we can also make this into a tutorial of how to edit a poll. So I'll just log back in quickly, and what I do is I come to manage content. Underneath there, it's sorted by the date that things were published by default. I could also just filter by blog entries or poll, let's say. So just show me all the polls. And there it is. So we'll go ahead and click edit. And this is actually supposed to say foreign radio. So we will go ahead and save that. And again, we'll go back to the home page, and we should see then, there you go, it's corrected. So let's go ahead, I will log out again so we can see that a bit cleaner. And let's say I would vote on whatever foreign newspapers. It will record my vote and then not allow me to vote again.